Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the IC Engine Lab again. Today we are going to perform an experiment on petrol engine. So here is the experimental setup of small test engine set. This apparatus helps students to understand the important features of a engine, such as thermodynamic cycles of an engine, or to calculate the performance characteristics of an engine, and to determine a relationship between different engine parameters such as engine speed and efficiency, engine speed and power, and etc. So the apparatus consists of two main parts. Number one is a bench mounted frame, and the second one and most important is test engine with dynamometer. So let's start with the introduction of first part. Here is the main part of this apparatus, which is test engine with dynamometer. So here is our test engine, which is basically a petrol engine. Okay. On the petrol engine, this part is known as rack or throttle, which is used to increase or decrease the engine speed. When we move this rack on the right side, it will increase the engine speed, or on the other side, it will decrease the engine speed. With this engine, this part is the crank casing. Inside this case, a crankshaft is available. This crankshaft is connected to this part. This part is known as dynamometer. The dynamometer is used to measure the power of an engine. This is a hydraulic dynamometer in which water is used to apply the load on the crankshaft. This is the torque sensor, which measures the torque of an engine. This is the control valve from where we apply the load on the crankshaft. Underneath this part is known as air box. The air box is used to dampen the inlet air pressure. On the other side of the air box, you can see that a thermocouple, which is of K-type, and a pressure tapping with orifice is available. The thermocouple measures the temperature of the inlet air, while pressure tapping and orifice is used to calculate the mass flow rate of air and also pressure. The diameter of this orifice is 18.5 millimeter. Now let's go to the other part of this engine, which is a bench mounted frame. Basically, the body of this part is frame, which holds this panel. On this frame, different modules are mounted. The first module is engine inlet and exhaust display, from where you can see that the values of ambient pressure, the value of airbox differential pressure, you notice that delta P1, the values of temperature T1 and T2. T1 basically the ambient temperature, air ambient temperature, and T2 is the exhaust temperature. These values are shown in the first module. On the second module, the second module is torque and speed display, on which you can see the value of torque in Newton meter, value of speed and power are displayed in revolution per minute and watt respectively. The third module is versatile data acquisition system. This module is used to record the values of engine parameters, different readings such as temperature, pressure, engine speed, torque, power through computer. This part is used to reduce the experimental time or reduce the errors. The fourth part is volumetric fuel gauge display, which display the amount of fuel drained or consumed. And the fifth part is volumetric fuel gauge automatic, from where you can see that a pipette is available with two flasks. The first flask is volume of 8 ml and the second flask is 16 ml. So the total volume of this pipette is 24 ml. On this pipette or on this module, optical sensors are available, which are used to sense the amount of fuel consumed. Here is the fuel tank in which petrol engine is stored. You can see that these are connected to this module, and this module is connected with this pipe through which fuel is passed through to the and comes to the engine.